Hey, what's up guys? In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix white dots or spots on the screens. On the left of your screen you can see that there are dots on screen, and on the right it is after repairing. So stick to the video, don't skip any part and watch it complete. Subscribe our channel and like the video. Viewers, this is a common problem and you may find if you have LED TV. So you can see that the dots are visible spots on the screen. There are two reasons for white dots on LED TV screen. One, LED lenses detached from strips. Second, focus sheets or white reflecting paper disturbed. So today we will open it and find it what is the reason for these spots. Open the back cover and screws on all the four corners is if available. Viewers, do this procedure for all types of TVs and screen sizes. The procedure is same. First of all, open the back cover, then the front bezel. Now lift the panel carefully. It is very important part. Place it on a safe side. Now lift the panel fitting. Then turn for reflecting papers. Guys, you can see that our lenses are okay, but the reflecting white paper is disturbed. It is raised from the center, so we will fix it. If you have not these, after opening your LED TV, if you don't find this problem, then there should be the first problem, that is LED lenses detached from the backlight strips. I will give you the link in the description and on I button. You can fix that problem too. But today we have the focus problem. As you can see that the back cover is raised from the center point and somebody have pressed it from the back side. All the strips are not in line. You can see it from the back side. It have been pressed by somebody, so its focus is not good. So we will fix this by pressing with the hand. It is very easy. You can do this easily at home. No need to go to any technician. Here our back cover is okay and all the backlight strips are in line. You can see that. Now backlight strips are in line with the back cover, not raised from any point. Now put the reflecting paper again. All the lenses are well inside holes. You are watching that. Guys, if these lenses are okay, then the focus is your problem. So do the procedure as I am doing in the video. Gently press the paper from all sides and all corners. Now the paper is in line with the LED strips. Tighten all the tiny screws on the paper so it will not disturb again. Guys, if your LED TV have not been opened before and it is in the sharp condition, then this problem won't come. And if you have repaired your LED from any technician, and you have changed its backlights, then this problem would come. So if your LED is brand new and you got this problem, then you have the first problem, that is your lenses are detached. Now put all the reflecting papers and panel fitting in order. First of all, place the reflecting sheets. Don't change their order. Put them in the same order as you have lifted, because it will also disturb the focus. Press it in its holes. Now place the panel fitting well inside its corners and locks. It have tiny locks, so gently press it. It will be automatically adjusted in its place. Press it from the all four corners. Now place the panel carefully. The screen is very delicate, so handle it with care. Place it well inside all the four corners, inside the rubber fitting. These are rubber fittings available on all four corners. Your panel should be well seated inside these four corners. Now place the front bezel used for panel protection. Gently press it. It will also be adjusted automatically in its place. After confirming it, turn your LED TV. Place all the screws on the back cover. Now we will turn it and check it for the final time. I will insert the power cord. Now I will press the power key on the TV. Our display is good now. You can see that there are no white spots or dots on the screen. So guys, leave a like and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Guys, thanks for watching and goodbye.